In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or show the pivot table editor in Google Sheets. Pivot tables are a powerful feature within Google Sheets that allow you to organize and summarize complex datasets with ease. Understanding how to enable the pivot table editor can streamline your data analysis process significantly. Let's dive into the step-by-step process together, ensuring that by the end of this video, you feel confident in navigating this handy tool. First things first, make sure you have a Google Sheet open. If you haven't done so yet, go ahead and launch Google Sheets from your preferred browser. Once you're in, make sure your data is ready for analysis. Typically, you'll have some sort of table consisting of rows and columns filled with the data you intend to analyze with a pivot table. Now that your sheet is open and ready, the next step is to click on Pivot Table 1. If you're a little uncertain where to find this option, don't worry. You'll typically find it after selecting your dataset or from the Insert menu available in the toolbar at the top of your spreadsheet. Choose Pivot Table from this menu, and it will initiate a new pivot table, which usually appears on a new sheet within your spreadsheet document. Once your pivot table is created, click on the table itself to activate it. By doing this, you're essentially preparing your sheet for the customization phase of your pivot table. This will put the spotlight on the newly created pivot table, and we can begin the process of editing and fine-tuning the details. With your pivot table highlighted, it's time to click on Edit. This step is crucial because it opens up the pivot table editor on the right side of your screen. This editor is your main hub for personalizing your pivot table to suit your needs. You can specify the rows, columns, values, and filters you want used in your pivot table through this editor. If at any point the editor becomes hidden or you're unable to see it, simply clicking on the pivot table again should help re-enable it. There you have it. By following these steps, you'll successfully enable the pivot table editor in Google Sheets. This editor provides a range of options to explore your data with great flexibility, helping you visualize patterns and uncover insights that might be otherwise missed. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been valuable for enhancing your productivity with Google Sheets. Keep experimenting with different configurations in the pivot table editor to truly harness the potential of your data.